Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line number 76600 split keyring. This is the 1.25" size, and this part number means specifically that there's 100 pieces in a box. When you buy one, you're getting a box of 100. Here's what 100 look like, okay? Let's take a closer look at it. Now, the name Lucky Line is synonymous with key management hardware. And when they say 1.25", I find that they generally mean about the center line of the material itself. You know, if you want, not the ID or the OD, but the center line of what that might be. Tempered, nickel-plated steel keyring. Very good, exceptional quality. Okay. Will hold multiple keys. You want a little bigger key ring when you've got lots of keys. You know, you start to put 8 keys onto a key ring, and they really start to flare out on you and make it uncomfortable to have it in your pocket, most certainly. Okay. Resilient tempered steel, won't lose shape even after repeated use. If anything, I don't like Lucky Line products because they're strong, kind of, you know, you don't get them very far before your fingernails start to say, hey, buddy, slow down on that. Now, there is a link below this video to a document, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the product catalog, the current product catalog, along with some prior versions of it as well, and we retain those prior versions because the product evolves over time. If you were to pull up the most current version and look at the or do a find function on your keyboard, Control F, you will find the 76600 in a table of all of it and all of its sister products. You'll see different sizes, 1/2 inch all the way up to 3 inch. In the box version where you are getting the quantity listed there, 100 in a box or 50 in a box or even 25 in a box, depending on the size. What's interesting about that catalog is it will show you how the merchandising or the packaging changes. And as it changes, so does the part number along with the quantity. The bottom line is it might be more appropriate for you to purchase the retail packaging where they're carted, or in a small jar if you have a checkout line in a small neighborhood hardware store. I would say a box would be most appropriate for internal use if you're a lock shop and you want to have nice key rings available for your clients to be able to leave your shop with, let's say, 10 master keys that you've just cut them. You want to have a nice quality key ring available to the client, and this would certainly fit the bill. Industrial packaging is there as well, and that would only make sense if you were dealing in large volume. If you needed 300, industrial packaging is not going to save you any money. If you needed 10,000, then you're not going to want to order 100 of these. You're going to order it in industrial packaging, assuming you're just going to throw them all away anyway, the packaging, I should say. What's tremendous about this catalog, however, is that it will allow you to review all things key management hardware related from Lucky Line, again, whose name is synonymous with the entire product line. Whether it be key rings, all the way from the small giveaway key rings, all the way up to the large pull-apart jailer's style key rings, key tags and fobs and lanyards, and they do a line of nylon-coated stainless steel key tag, or key rings, I should say, that you can twist and contort and lock them, or twist and contort and unlock them, or you can crimp them for permanent closure. Back to those key tags, they'll make them out of paper, plastic, aluminum, and brass. Novelty items, they can do custom printing on a lot of the items that they sell, like those spring-style wrist coils, the lanyards I had just mentioned. If you have more than an occasional need for key management hardware, or if you're placing an order for something as common as a typical split keyring, I would recommend that you review their catalog. I'd be surprised if you didn't find something possibly more appropriate for your application, or something that you said, gosh, I can buy that as well. Very handy way to go about doing it. If you have any questions on the Lucky Line, part number 76600, box of 100, 1.25" split key rings, ring accessories, or any other Lucky Line product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.